Thanksgiving Day, November the 25th, 2022. 8:45. We've just gotten off Stone Mountain Freeway. We've just gotten off of 285. We're on Ponce to Lynn. We're headed into Atlanta, but through Decatur and Scottsdale. I'd like to go live going through Atlanta, but I'll have to use the S22, and Atlanta streets are so bad, the stabilization probably shake like crazy. I don't know if we'll do it or not. We'll see. I think it's low to mid 50s. I don't know if it's supposed to rain today or not. That tattoo place has been there forever. Coming up on North Decatur Road, to the right will take you past Suburban Plaza on down into Emory. To the left will take you over to Memorial Drive. Back in the 60s, we'd start off under that bridge right there to the left at the red light here. We'd put our foot on the floor. When we got the green light, we'd go up over that hill, go back down the hill to the Kraft Cheese Road and see how fast we could get up to. I think the fastest I ever got up to was 105 going down through there. I'm not sure what Frank may have got up faster than that. I don't know. Crazy things we used to do. Oh, yeah. You know, we're not going to do much deviation. I normally get sidetracked and go all over the place. Coming up on Scottdale Mill, the old Scottdale Mill. I think it may be like an artist community now. Turn left and go across the tracks here. It'll take you right into Avondale. We're going to go straight and go right down through Scottsdale. The little mill houses are over to the right. Steel mills, steel factory right there on the left, other side of the tracks. Scottsdale curve. Anthony's Pizza been there an awful long time too. Got a bunch of old millstones back there. The Cab Farmers Market's up here on the right. We have video going through there, so we're not going to go through there again. Or not today, anyway. What are you going to do? You're just going to come out right in the way, huh? Well, it's closed anyway. We can't go through there. Used to be a nice stand of pine woods out there to the right. They cut them. I don't know what they're... I don't know why they stopped or whatever they did. Maybe they just cut it to get timber money. I don't know. Kudzu, been around a long time, but used to be over here on the other corner where this Progressive, I think it's Progressive, is now. And they moved and then tore the old building down and built that can't tell what it is. I think it's some kind of insurance thing though. Now before MARTA, you used to be able to turn left and go up and cross the tracks, go into Avondale right there. I don't know what that place is now. Pritchett's Restaurant, I think we just passed where it used to be. There is Pinups Adult Entertainment. Now look at all of this new construction, new apartments. Yeah, I don't know if we can go live or not down through Atlanta. The roads are going to be so bad. I just don't know that we're going to be able to do it. And this is the new Sam's Crossing, what I call the new Sam's Crossing. It's been here a long time now, but the old Sam's Crossing was up here, what, 100 yards or so, a little bit further. A couple of 100 yards, something like that. I don't think we have entered the city limits yet, but I think we're about to enter the city limits of Decatur. We may have already, but we're right at that boundary line, wherever that is. I think we're in it now. You would think there'd been a sign, but I didn't see a sign. I know we're in the city now. Sycamore Street to the left, Sycamore Drive to the right. We're just going to stay straight and go right through Decatur on Ponce. Yeah, a lot of this still looks just like it did 60 years ago when I was a kid. And we got a bumper car pushing us. We're going to pull in Glenwood, that elementary school up here, and let this clown get by. Well, the steps of Glenwood here used to come out further, but they kept it fairly consistent with what it used to look like years ago. Yeah, now get on by. I don't know why you want to think you've got to get through Decatur so fast. I don't know where they think they're going. Come up to the red light. Look at them. Get right on my bumper and push, and they get they got stuck up at the red light. I'm sorry, folks, but people are, I guess I need to shut up. Nobody needs my opinion, and most everybody knows it by now. Okay, we're going to stay on Ponce and go right through Decatur. That light didn't last long. Did y'all see the police? I have been known to run this light. I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, well I didn't have to run it. Yeah, I used to play out there in those two lots where the church and the Decatur Federal, old Decatur Federal, before they were built. Now we got another one right on our bumper. What are you doing? Why don't you come on by? Just get on down through Decatur wherever you want to get. What is it with you folks? Come on, you too. Where do y'all think you're going? if we can loop around here right quick. There's the courthouse. Squash blossom. Let's see if we can read the cornerstone on this building up here, see when it was built. I don't see one on that one there to the right. I forgot what that used to be, maybe a bank. Okay, let's see if we can see the cornerstone, see when this building was built. I'm thinking about 1919. Okay, there it is right there. 1924. Masonic Temple. I'm sort of a nut about dates when stuff was built. I love old bridges. Georgia has a date stamp on them from about the late 20s. Other states around us do not. But yeah, cornerstones on these buildings. I don't know if they do cornerstones anymore or not. But yeah, I've gone through Decatur a couple of times, and I've gone to the schools, the old elementary schools, and checked the cornerstones when they were built. So y'all, if y'all are interested, check out some of those videos. City of Decatur schools and Decatur school and Decatur videos. I've got quite a few. DeKalb County, Atlanta. Yeah, we didn't take any side venture detours. We're just coming straight through Ponce. We may take some detours once we get into Atlanta. This would probably be pretty at night with the street lights. I may come back through here tonight or either sometime or another, but yeah, my intention is to come back through Atlanta and Decatur maybe tonight, get night video. If I ever get it uploaded. I am so far behind. Good grief. And I just haven't, I don't know, I just hadn't been motivated to get videos up. My views, watch hours, everything's down. Okay, when we get down to Scott Boulevard, where Ponce comes into Scott Boulevard, we're going to start another one. This will be a video from, I guess, 285 through Decatur on Ponce. So the GoPro Black 10 does handle low light video better than the Osmo, but there again, that is the only thing I have found that is even remotely better. Nothing else is even close to as good, being as good as the Osmo 3. Okay, we're going to turn it off and start another one here with Druid Hills Bridge.